out here at the legendary Glen Helen Raceway in California, putting the Slick Products 3-step wash process to the test on this KTM dirt bike after a full day of tearing up the track. To start, mix the off-road wash concentrate into your pressure washer foam cannon. Spray on the thick, silky white foam and let it sit for a few minutes. It immediately goes to work breaking down heavy dirt and mud. Then rinse it off with a pressure washer for a deep, effective clean. Next, apply the cleaner and degreaser to any stubborn areas like the chain, sprockets, or tires. It melts away built-up grease, oil, and grime with ease. Agitate those spots with a brush, then rinse everything down again. Finally, dry the bike and apply shine and protectant spray to the plastics and other surfaces you want to bring back to life. It restores rich color, adds a deep shine, and leaves behind a protective barrier that helps repel dirt and mud, making future cleanups even easier. Just let it sit, then wipe and buff to your desired finish. Get yours today at slickproductsusa.com and keep your ride looking fresh and ready for the next ride.